Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Qadri Voice. Always concentrate on how far you have come rather than how far you have left to go. The difference in how easy it seems will amaze you. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. To have what you have never had, you have to do what you have never done. Everyone in life is gonna hurt you. You just have to figure out which people are worth to pay the pain. Life is about change. Sometimes it's painful. Sometimes it's beautiful. But most of the time it's both. Don't let the past steal your present. Most of the people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. Once you embrace your value, talents, and strengths, it neutralizes when others think less of you. Thanks for watching.